Keep the hook steady. I have the shield ready. All right, moving it now.
Every material is traceable. Every step documented.
High-capacity systems rinse and clean with temperature-controlled water and approved solutions.
Drying frames and airflow tunnels. Skins stretch gently, patterns aligning.
Skins are cut for bags, jackets, and garments with minimal waste. From rare material to refined craft, this is precision at scale.